I broke my food processor trying to make beef tallow. This is my struggles. During all this, the processor kept getting clogged, so I need a different solution for grinding of the tallow so I can get more oil out of it. This is mainly the consistency I want. It's kinda like wet Play-Doh. It make it easy to melt. After 12 hours in the slow cooker, I stranded and put it cool in the freezer and popped it out to see if there's any impurities. Sadly, there was. Round 2. Water, little bit of salt, put on high and let it go.